Imbangela yokushona kwengane ayikaziwa. Umndeni walomfana uzichithile izinsolo zokuthi ubenesifo sokuwa. Ngesikhathi kungcwatshwa umfana umndeni uthe awukwazi ukuphawula ngalolu daba. Iziphathimandla ziwuvakashelile lo mndeni.
Every time I ask a question is that they get pressures from the parents. Parents are the one who are pushing to admit this. My call to the entire province is that parents, let's stop pushing our senior traditional leaders or the traditional surgeons to admit underage.
Ikomiti lesikole sokusoka lesifundazwe liqaphe ngeso lokho izikole zokusoka ezingama-729 esifundazweni. Ikomiti litsenyukile isibalo sezikole zokusoka lithi ukwamukela kwengane encane kuphambene nomthetho wezikole zokusoka ka-2016.
The suspension is one of the things that is going to happen with the person who accepted the child at the initiation school. That's the first punishment that I can say is he gonna get. But the other one is that we must do all the research of what happened, what led to him accepting this child.
Amalungu omphakathi anembono ehlukene mayelana nezikole zokusoka.
He says young men who are supposed to attend initiation schools should be welcomed from 13 years of age and above. Younger than that, it is not allowed. He says initiation schools are okay in some instances, but not always.
Idokotela ophenyo livuliwe.